Hey guys, it's time to do a camera test of the Realme 6 Pro, and this phone is costing around 55,000 PKR in Pakistan market almost, and this phone give you a quad cameras on the back. As you can see, we have a main 64 megapixel main sensor which is coming at f1.8 aperture. Then we have a 8 megapixel ultra wide, 12 megapixel 2x optical zoom and a 2 megapixel for macro lens. On the front we have a 16 megapixel front camera as well as a 8 megapixel ultra wide lens on the front, which you don't see in this price range. And first I'm gonna tell you that this phone comes with a Snapdragon 720G chipset with the Adreno 618 GPU. Now let's see the camera UI of the Realme 6 Pro, and you can see you get all the features that you normally see on Realme phones. You also get a video section as well as a ultra steady and ultra steady max option on this phone, and also we have a live focus video mode on this phone as well. You can also record videos with the ultra wide as well. It is a really unique feature. And also we have a night mode which is also available with the ultra wide with a 2x optical zoom as well. And also we have a 50-second tripod mode as well. And also we have a portrait mode as well as a 64 megapixel mode as well. In the mode section you also get a slow motion which is coming at 120 fps as well as a 240 fps as well. And you also get a ultra macro mode on this phone. You cannot record videos from the macro lens as well. On the front we have a 16 megapixel front camera with a 8 megapixel ultra wide, and you can see here is your normal and here is your ultra wide on this phone. And the front camera also give you a ultra steady mode as well as a live focus video mode. You can also record videos with the ultra wide with the front camera as well. The night mode is also available with the front camera. You also get a portrait mode, see, and the slow-mo. Again, it is also available with the front camera. So now let's show you a lot of camera samples as well as video recording. You get better idea regarding the camera performance of the Realme 6 Pro. Hey guys, and this is the 4K with a 30 fps video recording of the Realme 6 Pro, and the back camera is a 64 megapixel which is coming at f1.8 aperture. And I don't enable the ultra steady mode on this phone right now. So now let's little bit walking, and I am just holding my phone with my hand. And now let's little bit running, and let's see how is the video stabilization. And you can see it is a bit shaky according what I see on the screen right now. And let me know how is the video quality of the Realme 6 Pro. Guys, this phone is also comes with a 2x optical zoom which is coming at 12 megapixel, and here is the skin tone looks like on this phone. And I have to say that the skin tone looks pretty natural, but the HDR is also work good on this phone. Guys, and this is a full HD with a 60 fps video recording of the Realme 6 Pro with the back camera, and you cannot switch between lenses from ultra wide to normal. You can switch between normal with a 2x optical zoom right now, and you can see here is a 2x optical zoom on this phone. And now let's little bit walking, and I don't enable the ultra steady mode on this phone right now again. Now let's little bit running, guys, and this is a full HD with 30 fps video recording of the Realme 6 with the back camera, and you can see on the autofocus is also really fast on this phone. And now let's little bit walking around, and I don't enable the ultra steady mode on this phone. Now let's running. can see, and the video quality looks pretty smooth on this phone, and also you guys are the judge of the microphone quality as well. Okay guys, and this is the ultra wide video recording of the Realme 6 Pro, which is coming at full HD with 30 fps only. And you can see, and we don't get any autofocus right now, and the color is also not as good as in the normal mode. So now let's little bit walking, and I am just holding my phone with my hand. And now let's little bit running. Okay guys, and this is a live focus video recording of the Realme 6 Pro with the back camera, which is coming at full HD with 30 fps. And you can see in my background it is blur, and you can see this phone gives you a really unique feature which I really like on this phone. Samsung Galaxy A71 does not give you this feature. Okay guys, and this is a ultra steady mode of the Realme 6 Pro with the back camera, which is coming at full HD with 30 fps. Now let's little bit walking, and according what I see on the screen, the video stabilization feels really good on this phone, no shaky or not. Now let's little bit running very fast, and you can see video quality, it is really good on this phone according what I see on the screen. But let me know how is the colors and the video quality looks like in the ultra steady mode. Okay guys, and this is a video recording of the ultra steady max on the Realme 6 Pro, which uses the ultra wide lens. And let me know how is the video stabilization in this mode. And you can see you get so much area for recording because it uses the 8 megapixel ultra wide for the video. And the video stabilization, it is also really good on this phone. Little bit walking, and now let's little bit running. Guys, this is a full HD with a 30 fps video recording with the front camera of the Realme 6 Pro. Let me know how is the video quality looks like on this phone. The sun, it is behind me. Let me know how is the HDR works on this phone. Is very accurately according what I see on the screen. Video quality looks really good on this phone. Guys, now I am using the live focus video feature on this phone with the front camera, and you can see in my background it is blur on this phone, and it worked very accurately, I have to say. And you can see, and the video is also really stable on this phone, and you can see I am just walking around. Okay guys, and this is a ultra steady mode with the front camera of the Realme 6 Pro, and you can see now let's little bit walking, and I have to say that the video quality, it is really bad in the ultra steady mode, and you can see, and the colors is bit outdated, I have to say. Now let's little bit walking, now let's little bit running, and you can see the video quality looks really good on this phone, feels very stable as well. And guys, now I am using the ultra wide of the Realme 6 Pro with the front camera, and the front camera also give you ultra wide along with a normal lens which is coming at 8 megapixel ultra wide. And you can see now let's little bit walking, you get a lot more area for recording. Okay guys, and this is a 4K with a 30 fps video recording of the Realme 6 Pro with the back camera. The back camera is a 64 megapixel which is coming at f1.8 aperture. And let me know how is the video quality looks like in night. And now let's little bit walking for checking out the stabilization in night. And the video quality, it is very good on this phone right now. Now let's little bit running. Guys, this is a full HD with a 30 fps video recording of the Realme 6 Pro with the back camera, and the back camera comes with a 64 megapixel, and you definitely get a little bit soft video quality compared to 4K, which is obvious. But let me know how is the video looks like on this phone. Now let's little bit walking around, and I'm just holding my phone with my hand. And okay guys, and this is a ultra wide video recording of the Realme 6 Pro which is coming at full HD with a 30 fps, and ultra wide it is coming at 8 megapixel. Guys, and this is a ultra steady mode on the Realme 6 Pro in night. Now let's little bit walking around, and you can see video stabilization feels really stable on this phone. Now let's little bit running, and you can see guys, this is a live focus video recording of the Realme 6 Pro with the back camera in night. Let me know how is the live focus video feature it is work on this phone. And thank you so much for watching this camera test of the Realme 6 Pro. Let me know what you guys think about this new Realme 6 Pro regarding the camera performance of this phone. So overall I have to say that I am really impressed by the camera performance of this phone. We have a 64 megapixel main sensor on the back, and also we have a live focus video mode on this phone, which is my favorite feature on this phone. The front camera also give you a 8 megapixel ultra wide for give you a so much area for selfies, which I really like on this phone. Subscribe to my channel for daily tech videos. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter as well, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.